Ramanujan, one of the most brilliant mathematicians in history, had a brief yet highly impactful life. As we celebrate his birthday on National Maths Day, let's reflect on the key milestones that define his remarkable journey in the world of mathematics. Ramanujan was born to Kuppuswamy Srinivas Iyengar and Komula Tamal on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu. He was mostly a self-taught mathematician and made significant contributions to number theory and continued fractions. सिर्फ 11 साल की उम्र में he was a mathematics genius as he surpassed the mathematical knowledge of college students. By 13, he mastered advanced trigonometry and discovered theorems of mathematics. In school exams, he finished math tests in half the time, excelling in geometry and infinite series. In 1904, upon graduating from Town Higher Senior Secondary School, Ramanujan received the K. Ranganatha Rao Prize for Mathematics, presented by the school's headmaster. It was for being an exceptional student deserving of scores beyond the maximum. उसी साल उन्हें गवर्नमेंट आर्ट स्कूल कुंभकोणम में स्कॉलरशिप मिली based on his strong academic performance in school. Unfortunately, the scholarship wasn't renewed the next year as he increasingly focused on mathematics, neglecting his other subjects. In 1906, Ramanujan failed his Fellow of Arts, जिस वजह से उन्हें कॉलेज छोड़ना पड़ा, but he continued to pursue independent research in mathematics, living in extreme poverty and often on the brink of starvation. 1910 Ramanujan के लिए एक turning point था, as he met the founder of the Indian Mathematical Society, V. Ramaswamy Iyer. Ramanujan began to be recognized in Madras mathematical circles, leading to his inclusion as a researcher at the University of Madras. In 1911, Ramanujan published the first of his papers in the Journal of the Indian Mathematical Society. One of the first problems he posed in the journal was to find the value of. In one of the most significant events of his life, Ramanujan wrote a letter to the renowned British mathematician G. H. Hardy, enclosing a list of theorems and formulas he had discovered. This led to a collaboration that significantly influenced both mathematicians. Hardy recognized some of Ramanujan's formulae, but others seemed scarcely possible to believe. One of the theorems Hardy found amazing was on the bottom of the page 3 of the letter. Hardy Ramanujan के काम से काफी impress हुए, especially his work relating to infinite series. After this letter, Hardy ने Ramanujan को invite किया to study at the University of Cambridge. He travelled to England, where his brilliance became widely recognized. In March 1916, Ramanujan received a Bachelor of Arts by Research degree, a precursor to the PhD, for his groundbreaking work on highly composite numbers. Portions of this work had been published the previous year in the Proceedings of the London Mathematical Society. He was elected a Fellow of the prestigious Royal Society in recognition of his exceptional contributions to mathematical research. 1919 में अपनी खराब हेल्थ के रहते रामानुजन इंडिया वापस आ गए. His health continued to deteriorate and he passed away the following year after suffering from TB. Ramanujan left a priceless treasure, 3 notebooks and a few scraps with around 3,900 equations, summaries and results. The major contributions of Ramanujan: infinite series and continued fraction, Ramanujan conjecture, Ramanujan master theorem, Ramanujan-Sonder constant, theta functions, Ramanujan-Hardy number. Ramanujan's life was sadly short, spanning just 32 years, but his legacy continues to inspire and influence mathematicians globally. Hope you're enjoying our Legends of STEM series. Stay tuned to learn more about legendary personalities and their impact on STEM. Thank you.